So I love purpose-driven business owners. And when I say that,
Mm.
what I mean is people that are trying to make the world a better place. So I work a lot with wellness professionals, whether that be like healers or therapists or nutritionists or people that are affecting a one-on-one situation where they're bringing like health and happiness to someone.
Mm.
Because I'm a true believer that when we impact one individual and make them feel good, it helps them be better to others. So it's
Right.
kind of that like ripple effect.
Hmm.
I also love brands that are trying to make a big impact. So whether that be on a community, whether that be like one-to-one brands, like if you purchase from us, we donate such and such to that.
Right, right.
And then I'm super passionate about the planet, being a avid hiker and camper. So I love also working with environmentally sustainable brands and brands that like care more about like how food is produced. I have a couple clients that are in like the gluten-free vegan space, which has been really cool to work with them in the way that they're like, hey, we're providing healthy quality food to people and being less
Yeah.
impactful on the environment. And then my business also gives back to nonprofits. We offer free brand photography to nonprofits for racial justice because that's a big value of ours.
That's
Um,
awesome.
yeah, I mean, Minnesota, literally a mile from where I lived is where George Floyd went down. So, like, we definitely went through a transformation. The city did this summer, like, learning
Yeah.
about, like, wow, we need to help our community. So, I offer as well as like free and discounted brand photography to BIPOC business owners. So, it's been
That's
really great to give back in that sort of way too, because we value those who give back. We need to give back as well.
right, right, right. That's cool that even the community is behind that all that stuff too. That's
Oh yeah, it's been life changing for all of us in our neighborhood.
yeah. What was your biggest takeaway from that? Like, what did you learn about that? The whole George Floyd thing.
That silence is just as bad as violence. That was kind of what I learned is like for a long time, I never said anything and it's
Wow,
just as bad.
that's powerful.